Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am draw another drawing. This drawing is very pretty and beautiful. This is the butterfly drawing. Butterfly drawing is so easy and simple. Butterfly is the most innocent and pretty insects. They lives on the floors. This is the wings of butterfly. Butterfly drawing is so easy and simple. Butterfly is so beautiful. There are most different types and kinds of butterflies. Every butterfly kind is so beautiful and so innocent. Its wings is very soft. It is the very beautiful. Then I almost complete my butterfly drawing. I hope you enjoy my drawings. Please subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you so much.